Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to turn your Android camera into an iPhone camera. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To give your Android camera an iPhone-like interface, follow these instructions. Firstly, launch the Google Play Store on your Android device. Tap on the search bar located at the top corner and type in camera iPhone 15. Press the magnifying glass icon to search. Click on the app from the search results to open its detail page. Then tap on install and wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, open the app and tap start. You might be prompted to choose a language. You can choose your preferred language or proceed with the default setting. Now, tap on the check mark in the top right corner, then choose to click or tap while using the app under permissions and tap allow. This app simulates the iPhone camera experience on Android, although does not perfectly replicate an actual iPhone camera. It includes features that are quite similar. The developers might enhance these features in future updates to more closely mimic the iPhone camera. And that's how you can turn your Android camera into an iPhone camera. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.